Welcome to Thunderstruck. Yeah. Welcome to Thunderstruck!
Welcome to Thunderstruck!
Hey Moto Tubers. Well, I got this trailer, 18-foot toy hauler we're going to be using to load up 2 motorcycles and take them up to the Thunderstruck Motorcycle Show. This will be the 27th annual Thunderstruck Show. Thompson Custom Bikes was invited by Amsoil and Thunderstruck to bring 2 motorcycles. So we've got this truck and trailer all ready to rock and roll. We'll be loading the bikes up and getting going. All right, let's do this. Let's get an eye on this thing for the first time. Hey, look at that. Nice floor. Got tie down points. Plenty of room for a couple motorcycles. Nice solid back door. Little kitchen area. Bathroom, fridge. This thing's pretty nice. Too bad we're not gonna be staying in it, just using it to tow bikes. Hey Moto Tubers. All right, I think this thing's gonna work for the motorcycle show. It's coming up in 2 days. I'm gonna start getting this thing loaded with our gear. Bike's pinned down. All right, let's get to it. We've got the bikes loaded up, nice and secured. It's about 110 degrees out here. I'm dripping sweat. We got them in, got them strapped down. They should be ready to rock and roll. Today's the day. It's Friday morning. Doing the last bit of loading up some gear to head off to the Thunderstruck Motorcycle and Car Show in Medford, Oregon. There we go. Well, this trip's already off to a crazy start. Barring this trailer, the trailer apparently has some light that's on and drained the batteries of my truck. Batteries were completely dead. So I've had to jump the truck and get a few things in order for that preparation, and we are finally headed out. All right, truck's on, we're ready to go. Let's do this. Well, we made it here to the Rogue Regency Inn. Found a parking spot. Time to unload. Bikes made it to Rogue Regency. We're here at Thunderstruck Bike Show. Got our hotel room. We're gonna leave a few things in here, come out and get them tomorrow. Set up 5 a.m. That's when the crew's getting together. So, let's go get our room. Oh, they work. This is a joke. 417. Well, our card's not working for the room, so we're gonna have to have them get the key reloaded, I guess. Hopefully these cards will work. We can see the whole show from here. Friends have already showed up. All right, here we are. Calm before the storm. Well, we're done for what we're gonna do this evening in preparation for the show tomorrow, so I'm gonna head into the room and get some sleep. We've got an early morning, wake up. I'm gonna be up at 4:30 in the morning and start getting set up at 5. See you guys tomorrow.
All right, good morning. It's 4:30 in the morning. Got my coffee, fresh. About to go meet up with the crew. We're gonna start setting up for today's motorcycle show. Got a couple bikes to unload, booth to set up, and some things to take care of, so let's get to it.
Well, there you have it. The booth's all set up. Amsoil booth. Got the motorcycles out. All the stuff on display. Bikes are looking good. Let's take a walk through. Thunderstruck Bike and Car Show 2023. Well, we are here. Things are set up. The booth is set up. People are starting to roll in. We got bikes, trucks, cars, all kinds of booths.
Welcome to Thunderstruck!
Welcome to Thunderstruck!
Welcome to Thunderstruck! Welcome to Thunderstruck! Welcome to Thunderstruck!
Today, that is going to be a big deal, so I hope you can join us for that. We've got raffle tickets and 50-50 tickets available. We got sponsors coming out the wazoo, including Star Body Works, Medford Mortgage, Lockwood Automotive, Hanson & Sons Trucking, The Tile Shop, Quality Tires, Southside Liquors, Courtney Driscoll, OK Time. He was in a fighting machine over in Afghanistan. Iraq. Anyway, he gets hit by a RPG. I want to make sure it's right. Took off his right arm. Got hit with shrapnel in the face, the legs, and through an unmentionable place. He got pulled out of there. Spent months in hospitals and rehab. He wanted a motorcycle. We're going to make that dream come true today. Yeah! Okay? Absolutely. First off, you can't be a biker unless you have a helmet, right? And you got to have a vest. Somebody up here bring him those. Jerry, Karen, you guys. There we go. Yeah! We also have a gentleman over in Grants Pass that makes these beautiful art pieces for us. And you're going to have it's called an American flag. So, yeah. Woo! You better put it on. Fuck yeah! One of the guys said he knew you. Some guy named Billy. They served together in Iraq. Somebody go ahead and unveil that thing while he's got his back.
pedals right throttle.
That's
because he doesn't have a...
Get on!
Texas Roadhouse and the parking area out there. We're on a rider over there so we can get used to that little foot long because it's a little touchy at first. Then we're going to load it up and maybe ship it to his house in Kansas. So that's our presentation.
Oh, you're fine. I snuck in.
And the poker run, high hand a little later on. Feel free to come up and look at the bike. Please don't touch it though. That might be armed and that prosthesis there.
We gotta sing.
First place in the sportsman category, 76E, Jerry Garcia. Who'da thunk it? Thanks for being here. You bet. First,
Hey guys, we're up here at Thunderstruck Custom Bike Show. Getting the privilege of hanging out with a buddy that I've known for a lot of years. And if you guys see any bike work, please see him. I brought my 05 Deluxe up here. We got stuff in place, and overall, just super fortunate to be here. Love what these guys do. Please make sure you come out and support them. Thank you guys, and a huge thanks to Adam. And
Tell us a little bit about your bike.
so I bought this bike out of Vegas. It's been a dream of mine, honestly. It was pretty stripped down, pretty low key. It did have the paint job on it, but I put the pipes, the bars, added quite a few chrome features to it. I just got this bike. Things I'm gonna do to it. The motor's going huge, as big as I can possibly go, and we're gonna put it on bags. So, yeah, I don't know. Just like I said, it's just a dream of mine. So just fortunate to have it.
I like the badges.
Yeah, super clean. We got one missing here, but we got that. Yeah, it is pretty stock. It's a pretty stock motor. Like I said, that's the next thing we're gonna do with it. So, thank you guys, and thanks to everybody here.
Right on, thank you. Awesome, dude.
Yep.
See ya.
Hey, what's up? Mike here at the Thunderstruck Bike Show. Just won second place. This is my 2000 Sportster. It was a 2000 Sportster Custom is what it started with. So original front wheel, 21-inch front wheel. I believe it's a TC Bros hardtail that somebody put on there before I got it. Changed up the pipes, built a sissy bar. Won this pretty sweet tank from a guy back east on Instagram. Other than that, you know, trailer fender from Blackbird. You know, you don't have to spend $1 million on fenders. You can just go get one at your local, you know, hardware store and make it work. Put a bunch of miles on it. You know, eBay fairings. So don't let anybody tell you you can't make, you know, cheap stuff look cool, because it definitely works. Yeah, other than that, you know, 6-inch over front end I put on there. Narrowed some bars I got off Lowbrow, I think. Key bars, just kind of widened them down. Yeah, other than that, she's a ripper. Super fun to ride.
Hey guys, we are out right now at the gas station, done with Thunderstruck Motorcycle Show, fully loaded up, all the bikes, the entire Amsoil booth, and all of Thompson Custom Bikes stuff to include the motorcycles. Oh, and it started pouring down rain on us. So, top that off with a cherry of rain. Anyway, we're all loaded up, we're getting fuel, we're headed back, and that's it for the day. See ya, folks. Made it back home after the Thunderstruck show. Got everything out of the trailer, and now, tomorrow morning, I head out on a camp trip. We call them camping rides, because we ride till we find somewhere to camp, and then we camp. Camping ride. All right, catch you guys next time.